Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll be walking you through how to download and install a sample database. The database is called Adventureworks2014. I've got the link to the download page displayed on the screen. So this is the page for the sample database download. So the database has been relocated, so we need to click on this link to go to GitHub. Click on that and that will take us to GitHub. So there are different samples of the Adventureworks database. The one we want is this one here, which is the Adventureworks2014. Click on that to begin the download. It tells you the size, just 44.6 megabytes. So it's a backup file, hence the .bak. So the way we are going to incorporate this database is going to be from a backup. So let's take a look at the location. I'm just going to click on this little arrow here, showing folder. That will take me to the folder and where it was downloaded. So this is the file I've just downloaded. So what I need to do is copy this backup file to the backup directory for SQL Server. So just right click and go copy, and then go to your computer and click on program files, and you go down to Microsoft SQL Server. Click on that, and within the Microsoft SQL Server, click on this one here, the bottom one, and click on this and click on backup. Right click and paste in there. Okay, so we've now placed the backup file, put a copy in the correct backup directory for SQL Server. So in order to incorporate that into the database, we need to restore it from backup. So let's open up the SQL Server Management Studio by going to Start, All Program, Microsoft SQL Server, and then click on SQL Server Management Studio. Click on that. That's the management tool that is used to administer or manage Microsoft SQL Server. So everything you need to do SQL Server, you do it via the SQL Server Management Studio. So once you've done, make sure you've got server type is database engine. Make sure your server name will be the name of your computer, and just everything should be as it is. Just click connect and that will connect. So now you've got a connection to the server. So let's try and attach the database we just copied to the backup location. So right click on this databases folder and click the option to restore database. Click on that. So let's try and locate the database. So to do that, you click on this tab that says devices. Click on that, and next to the devices you see this little three dots here. Click on that, and you see this option. Click on add, and that you can see it's automatically detected the copy we made to that backup directory for this. So just highlight that and click OK, and make sure you click OK again, and you can see it's doing the backup now. All right, make sure you've got this box here that says restore. Make sure you've got a tick in there. Once that's done, I'm just going to bring this up a bit so you can see, and just click on this option here that says OK, and you can see here, you can see the progress. So it's trying to back up trying to restore the database from backup. It says you here, database Adventureworks successfully restored. So it has restored the database. Just click OK, and you can see, so we can do a quick test by expanding the databases tab, and you can see the database we've just attached. Click on that, and we can take a look at the tables by clicking on tables. Click on the plus so you can see all the tables in the database, and this database has got different schemas. So let's do a quick query here by clicking on the new query tab. Let's see if we can quickly communicate with the database. So let's do a quick select statement. So you do a select star from, and I would say when you are working on a database, always make sure you select the right one from this area here. So I'm going to click on the drop down and select Adventureworks so that it knows I'm talking to the right database. And next thing you need to do, you do this database. These are all the different schemas. There are different schemas in this database, and also different tables belonging to different schemas. So what I'm saying here, select means I'm asking this query to get all the data from this schema. Name of the schema is human resources, and this asterisk basically means get all the columns and rows from the table. And then to get the table, I'll just press a dot. That'll give me a list of tables for this human resources. So I'll just say employees table. I'll click on that, end that with a semicolon, and then I'll click to execute, and that will give me all the records from this table called employee that belongs to the human resources schema. So we have successfully connected to the Adventureworks database and also interrogated and retrieved data from the table. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.